There. Too bad it's not SpaceX here.
Yeah, well, I work within my budget. You know?
No, I mean, it's too bad I'm not seeing a rocket through my viewfinder.
Yeah, that was fun. You ready for the grand tour?
All I'm seeing is it's too bad there's not a rocket in my picture. All I see is dawn.
Hey, look, to your viewers, I just want to point out, I do have clothes that do not have holes in it.
Well, we'll be the judge of that. Turn around.
See, when I'm not working, I wear decent clothes.
But your shoes, sir, there's something wrong.
That's not going to change.
There's something wrong with your shoes. Those safety clogs or whatever they're called.
Oh, they're steel-toed
The
clogs.
steel-toed.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually they're all steel. You know, you can't. They're camouflage steel.
Yeah, right. I was born at night, but not last night, Don. Don, it looks like your building. If I could, got my wide-angle lens. I took down to Starbase, and I took it out.
That's okay.
You're,
Not that big.
So now your building on the outside is all finished.
All finished.
Your addition. You said you put those two switches there for the lights under here.
Yeah. Got 300 watts LED lights under there. This is turns that on. They're bright.
Yeah, I bought one of those, and in fact, one of those is one I gave you.
Technically yours.
Yeah, my God.
But I like them. I got room for two more. I think I'm gonna put the 100 watts low though. I don't need 150 watts that low.
I just didn't like the color light. They're 650
They're
instead
daylight.
of 5,000. Yeah,
They're daylight.
it bothers
Got
my
the,
eyes.
Got the roller filter
Whoa,
installed.
ho, 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 ho. Don, you've gotten fancy on me. I don't even have one of those. Now I've got to do that.
Yes, sir. It's all finished in here pretty much.
Got it all painted up and lights.
Yeah. Came out okay.
Those four little strip lights work real well.
Yeah, I just gotta hang them up, hang up the cords, tie up the cords.
What do you got in tools?
Well, everybody's seen this already. I haven't worked on that yet. And this.
Saw.
This they probably haven't seen all together. Those are spring projects, those two. But this, I finished putting it together.
Does it run?
It runs. I just need to run the three-phase wire in here.
You had to have the motor rebuilt.
Yeah. Actually, they just dipped it.
That's all they did?
Didn't rewind it. Said the windings were good.
Huh.
Just the insulation was kind of flaking off on the inside, so they re-dipped it.
Oh, good.
So it actually was only 100-something bucks.
Well, that was
But I just got to buy some of the 12-inch
wheels.
and that little grinder works. This one works fine. I think I paid $100 for this. I just need some new wheels on it, but you know, it runs off 110. The carbide grinder goes both directions. It works fine. So that was a good deal on that.
$100.
$100 for that. But that, and the rest of the stuff, I got, you know,
Just regular
regular
stuff.
garage stuff.
But you put a door in over here
I did.
to your other shop.
Yep. Come on in. It's not perfect, but it's not messy yet.
Don, have you ever seen my shop?
It's warm. Heater works.
Heater works.
There's something for you. I welded together for you for Christmas present.
What did you weld for me together?
Right there.
What is that?
Just something to hang on your shop wall.
Oh, a picture frame. Oh, it's a shop picture. Shop art. Well,
That's what it
thank
is.
you, sir.
I thought it was pretty cool with the
It
wrenches.
is.
Anyway, that's yours for Christmas.
Why, thank you.
And it's the money out of you.
Oh, money, I like that too, but how do you get this wrench off, Don?
It's welded on there, buddy.
Oh, well, luckily I've got a grinder.
You wouldn't want to use those wrenches. Those are not expensive wrenches I bought to put on there, okay?
What do they say, Craftsman?
No, it's not even that quality, okay?
Well, that's cool.
Oh,
Thank
you never saw my holes that drilled in my welding.
Oh, yeah. Don has been busy.
All 392 of them.
He waited patiently for a year for me to use
see.
my, let me get up here. He waited patiently for a year for me to
Get the mag drill.
use my mag drill, because he didn't want to use my mag drill if I didn't use it first.
No, that's not right.
And so then he sat here and patiently drilled all these holes.
392 holes.
392 holes. And he laid them out using a piece of pegboard.
Yeah, and actually, see, it came out pretty decent.
Came out pretty good, he said.
I used it to weld your little frame
Oh
together.
boy. I gotta get the plasma torch out and cut those tools out of it. And
Hey, whatever. It's yours now, so whatever you want
oh,
to do.
it'll go on the wall.
Whatever you want to do with it. This is
You got the table all set up. You
Yeah.
got your screw indexer.
Yep.
Ah,
I don't know anybody. Did they see the? I don't remember if we showed them.
no, I don't think so.
Well, you got some new subscribers too, probably. I've never seen any of it.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh. Yeah, this one looks just like the one sitting in the shop right now.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does too. Well, it will soon.
Yeah, I mean, you got some new subscribers, so maybe they haven't seen your old lathe yet. These are the blocks I bought for $10 a piece.
Yeah. Well, you bought those $100 for 10 of them?
Yep. 6 by 8 by 3.
Instead of using a piece of big ass round he bought over there for feed, he's going to use these little blocks.
Yeah, that'd be a waste to do that for this.
Yeah. Don is a metal whore.
I am.
He's become a metal whore
Yep.
and a tool whore.
And a tool whore. We have that in common.
Yeah.
And maybe some.
Don't you regret the day Richard King gave you my phone number?
Yeah, that's how I met you.
Yeah, it was.
And maybe some of you new viewers haven't seen the jib crane
Yeah.
we made.
Build a jib crane. There's a 4-part video on those.
Yeah.
Then you've got all the goody tools you've been collecting with the tool purchase.
Oh yeah, this is all of our rounds really paid off.
Yeah.
You know,
We've been,
chucks, centers. And some of those big drill bits we found.
yep.
I paid $90 for these plus these. That was $90. Just
Yep.
that was a good deal. That was a good deal. And we got some tool holders.
They're all set up.
Yeah, see, this is more mill stuff.
You like that Yukon box?
It works for what I need it to do. Yeah, all the milling stuff in this one.
Well, you got 4 million pounds in it.
I
It
did.
hasn't cratered yet.
No, so it must be doing it right. You know, I think that was only $270 for that, for the bottom.
Dr. Bobby.
That's my doctor's office.
Your doctor?
Hit pause.
I didn't tell anybody you're seeing a shrink.
Any luck?
Oh, I don't know. Guess it's just going to have to be flickery today. Anyway, back to where we were.
Yeah, this is my next project to restore. Everything works on it, just some of these are a little worn out and loose. I'm gonna get some new, I'm gonna tear it down, get some new parts, paint it.
Make new parts.
This is what's worn out, this little guy here.
Oh, the lock?
Yeah. It's probably just the shaft with the little circle in it or something.
Yeah, it is.
Anyway, I don't know.
You can buy those. This is a new one.
Yeah, this one I picked up for $500. It's a variable speed, and the way you vary the speed when it's on is you
Flip the pedal.
just move the pedal to whatever, and you got two ranges of speed. So it's a metal cutting saw.
So good. So it'll.
But right now it's set up for 480. We need to change it. But it's in decent condition for
Well, for $500, that's not bad.
And it runs and everything works.
Yeah, that's good. Ready to roll.
Ready to rock and roll.
You got this from down the south, didn't you?
Yeah, from the same guy you.
Found the press mechanic.
He's a
Got
nice
all
guy.
your
He's a good
tools
guy.
built up.
He's a good guy.
Man, I could help you with this shop. You got so much space in here.
No. I have the perfect amount of space where it's not crowded. I can walk everywhere. And this I'm gonna.
Did you decide what you're going to do with this?
I really don't want it. I've got enough grinders. I don't need it. I got that other grinder that's sitting in the.
Somebody make Don a deal on this thing.
Bro.
Well, most of the tools that I get are broke.
Yeah, I'm broke pretty good though.
Yeah, but you can fix these things.
Yeah, I mean.
They're not complicated at all.
It's just not high on the list to do right now.
Well,
If I run out of the other stuff, maybe I'll look at it.
maybe somebody will come get it, give you a little money for it. We could sell it to Howard.
He's the one that got it.
Don't tell him.
And this is another project. You had given me this. It's missing some of the dies. I'm going to take some of that steel and make some new dies, fill it up,
Yep.
and restore this one back to its glory.
That's my old pan brake from my high school shop that I went
It's
to.
really a good brake.
It is.
Very heavy duty.
Had it for years. I just wanted a power one.
Yep. And then we got the surface grinder.
You got all the paint off of it.
Pretty
just
much,
about.
yeah. I need to gut this thing. I need to take the table off, take this off, and get in there with the hydraulics and clean everything out. It works, but this doesn't work. This is not hooked to anything. And that's the automatic feed for this. So there's
Well, you just need to
something's wrong
take the
with
table off, turn it upside down, and go to it.
that. It might just be loose here. I don't know. But yeah, I need to get into this hydraulic tank anyway. And there's no slack.
It's all.
So you have to unconnect everything to get into the tank to pull it out.
Well, why don't you just mount the tank on the side?
Now, I might end up doing it, but I'm just saying to clean it, on all these hoses, it's better just to. And also the oiling system, I have to replace all the little
Jets, meters.
meters and everything and lines. So might as well take it all apart, and clean it and gut
Sure.
it. Fix what's broke.
Then you can give it to me for a Christmas present.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure. Let's see where that's going.
Just don't weld it all together, okay? Makes it harder for me to take apart. Well, I like your shop.
It's coming along. It's not done
Oh,
yet. It's coming along.
and you're alive.
I'm alive.
And we're trying to keep you that way.
Trying to stay that way.
You keep taking off that wrapper I put you in, so it's hard for me to feel 100% safe around you.
I think it's the other way around.
Oh,
I don't go anywhere. I'm a hermit.
well,
I'm a hermit. But this has kept me busy and sane, so it's been a good little project. Got my air out here running.
you're all ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, I want to repaint this too, get this all cleaned out and repaint it. This one needs a starter capacitor on the motor. But I really want to get this all back in shape because it's a good metal cooling saw.
Well, good. I'll give you something to do. You got your casters on it.
Yep,
So
I believe in casters.
you don't really need these things. You got a horse.
Yeah, they don't eat around the house.
Just open the gate.
No, they've eaten everything else, but they weren't supposed to eat.
Well, I like the way this room turned out.
Yeah, it's nice and bright. Go ahead and paint it white. Don't know don't know, it'll stay white, but it's white for now anyway.
Well, as soon as the spiders move in, things change.
I spray, so I spray. And that's that jack shaft motor that put on the
What are you pointing at?
jack shaft motor. Pretty nice motor, pretty heavy duty. I like it. I still have to hook up the button on the wall, figure out where I want it.
Fix the wires,
Yeah.
or it doesn't blow up on you.
Yeah, for the most part.
You have a bonfire over here one night.
And most part it's good. So,
Well, this is high enough you can do some work.
yeah, I'm gonna build a gantry crane. And you'll roll in and out of here.
This is a nice day today. It's been about, what, 30 at night?
Oh no, it was 24 degrees this morning here.
24.
Yeah.
That ought to make the
It's only
green.
about 48 right now.
That ought to make the green grass go away.
Yeah, it should. The cows have been eating the grass because it hasn't died yet. But maybe it'll die. after
Smart
this.
cow.
Yeah. So
Well,
anyway,
you got all the siding up.
everything's done outside. It's all trimmed.
You
It's all
stand
painted.
over there, so out of the sun.
It's all trimmed. It's all painted. Pretty much done. But that's easy stuff.
Don did almost 99.9% of this by himself.
Pretty much.
I think your son came and helped you one day.
He helped me hold up the fascia board on one end because it's kind of hard to put up fascia by yourself.
Yeah.
But, yeah, put it all up. Kept me busy, kept me out of trouble, you know. It's just not big enough.
Do you remember what I said the first time I saw the slab, Don?
Well, it was a matter of financial. It's big enough for my finances at the time. It was as big as I could make it financially.
He's already talking about spring of 2020,
Yeah.
2022 making.
2022 edition.
We're going that way.
Either that way or this way. I already got a slab here. It'd be really easy just to extend this out 16 more feet. You know, off the front gable. I think I'd probably do that first.
Well, that'd be the easiest.
I just have to dig under here and put some
Footers.
footers under there. This is just flat work. But other than that, no problem.
Well, it looks good.
Thank you.
Did you finish this side? Or did you leave that alone?
No,
Oh, you finished this side too.
the back finished it.
Man, the back?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's all done.
You painted it?
Yep. Needs another coat,
Yeah.
but I'll do that in spring.
Well, as soon as your bonfire burns off the paint, this coat, you can, I think it's a little close.
That's why it's still here. I haven't burned it. I'm not gonna burn it with that big, that close.
Well, I like it. Looks good.
Yeah, you're all right.
Thanks for showing us.
No problem.
Say bye, Don.
Bye, peeps.